Hello my dear students, welcome in your English class. So before starting today's class, let's see what's the date today. So today's date is 16th April, okay? And today is our third class for the lesson Daffodils. I hope you have understood the poem Daffodils and I hope you have done the vocabs as well as the book exercises. So let's continue with the question answer part. For your benefit, I am going to copy the question as well as the answer so that you don't have to look at the book again and again. There are only 4 questions in it and you have to copy the questions with black pen and then you will write the answer with blue pen so that you can easily see it and you can your copy will be neat and clean. Okay, so let's begin. Our lesson is Daffodils. Question answer. Question number 1. Where did the poet wander? W-A-N-D-E-R, wander. Your question is, where did the poet wander? Answer 1. The poet wandered beside a lake. Okay. Now, after completing one question answer, you will leave 2 lines. Okay, for making your work neat and clean. Next question. Question number 2. What did he see? What did he see all at once? All at once. Answer 2. All at once. All at once, comma, the poet saw a crowd, comma, a host, H-O-S-T, host of golden daffodils beside the lake and beneath the trees. Okay, so by this we have completed 2 question answer. I read it for you. Where did the poet wander? The poet wandered beside a lake. After writing one answer, you will leave almost 2 lines and then you will write next question. What did he see all at once? All at once, comma, the poet saw a crowd, comma, a host of golden daffodils beside the lake and beneath the trees. Okay, I hope you can see it clearly. Yes? Now let's move to the third question. Question number 3. What were the daffodils doing? Answer number 3. The daffodils were fluttering. The daffodils were fluttering and dancing in the breeze. What were the daffodils doing? The daffodils were fluttering and dancing in the breeze. Now again you will leave 2 lines and then we will move to question number 4. Question number 4 is a long answer, so I think let me continue from here only. Question number 4. Why did the poet poet's heart fill with pleasure? Okay, so answer number 4. The poet was greatly excited looking at the beauty of the daffodils full stop. His joy knew, K-N-E-W, knew no bounds, B-O-U-N-D-S, bounds, when he saw those countless daffodils, tossing, T-O-S-S-I-N-G, tossing. Okay, I will rub this part. Question number 3 I am going to rub so that I can continue writing here. Okay. Tossing their heads by the side of the lake, full stop. The view of their scenic beauty, S-C-E-N-I-C, scenic beauty, filled the poet's heart with pleasure. With pleasure. Okay, by this we have completed answer number 4 as well as all the question answer. So I will read question number 4 once again. Why did the poet's heart fill with pleasure? The poet was greatly excited looking at the beauty of the daffodils. His joy knew no bounds when he saw those countless daffodils tossing their heads by the side of the lake. The view of their scenic beauty filled the poet's heart with pleasure. So by this we have completed the question answer of the poem Daffodils. This was very small means question answer, as well as the chapter was also very easy. So I hope no problem you are facing. Still, if you have any problem, you can ask me at my WhatsApp number between 1 to 2 p.m. Okay, and one more thing I want to say, we will do a revision test in our next class, okay, for the same lesson Daffodils. So please learn the vocabs as well as the book exercises and question answer properly. One chapter we are going to complete, and then one chapter we are going to take a small revision test so that you can learn along with me. Is it clear? So that's all for today, dear students. Have a nice day. Keep learning. Bye-bye. Do the work neatly. You can pause the video again and again, and you can write the question answer clearly. Is it clear? Okay. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.